Hi, my name's Janelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own padded headbands. To be honest, I never thought I would wear a headband again, but I've seen this style pop up on Instagram lately and I kind of like it, I think. I'm not too sure yet, but I think I like it. So if you'd like to make one for yourself, here's how. For this project you'll need a headband frame. I'm recycling this one from an old headband I used to wear, but you can pick these up from most craft stores. Some craft glue, a pair of scissors, thread, a piece of foam that measures approximately 55 by 5 by 5 centimeters, and lastly the fabric you'd like to make your headband out of. Ideally something that has a little bit of stretch to it. The first step of this project is to glue the foam onto your headband. Trim the foam to the length of your headband. Spread the glue all over the headband and secure the foam to it, holding it in place for a few minutes until it's secure. Using a pen, draw a line to create the headband shape. You can't really see the pen I was using, so I swapped it to a blue one so hopefully you can see it a little bit better. Once you're happy with the shape on both sides and it looks even enough, trim the foam with a pair of scissors. Next, measure the headband from the widest point, divide this measurement by 2, the length, and the narrowest point. Also divide this measurement by 2. To make the template for our fabric, mark the length of the headband along the edge of a piece of paper, then mark where the centre of the length is. Measure out the widest measurement from that point, and do the same at the ends with the narrowest measurement. Cut out the template. With the stretch of the fabric going lengthways, fold the fabric in half and place the template along the fold. Cut the template out. With right sides together, fold the fabric in half and pin in place. Sew along the raw seam, being sure to leave a small opening along the seam to be able to turn the piece right side out. Trim the excess fabric and turn the piece right side out. Next, feed the headband into the casing through the same small opening. This part is a little tedious and can be a little bit fiddly. So just be patient and take your time trying to get those creases out as best you can. Once it's finally in, take a needle and thread and stitch the opening closed. And your headband is done. So, how do these headbands look on? So I hope you like this tutorial. If you do have a go at making these headbands, then please tag me on Instagram with the hashtag RosaryDIY so I can see them. And follow me on Instagram if you'd like to see some of the other things I make. Thanks for watching!